Students, in this session we are discussing next two important families in Rajaput dynasty. Already we discussed four important families. One is Gujjara Pratyara, second one is Garhwalas, next one is Paramaras, next one is Solankis. These are the four families we already discussed. Now remaining two important families. One is, they are given Chandelas, second one is Chauhans. Now we are discussing each family, who is famous king, what was the achievements. These are the matters we are discussing in this session. Okay, in that, first of all, we want to know first family in this session, that is, here they given Chandelas. Chandelas is one of the important family in Rajaput dynasty. In beginning, we want to know who is famous king in this dynasty is Danga. Danga is a famous king of Chandelas family. So we want to know how this dynasty is established, or how this dynasty become very powerful in Rajasthan dynasty, or in Rajasthan, in that particular families. So we want to know, before that, the Solankis, the Chandelas, they under the control of, in beginning Chandelas, they are under the control of Gujjara Pratyara family, means the first family of Rajaput dynasty. They are under the control or feudatory king of in beginning. After that, when Gujjara Pratyara dynasty declined, after you already know, after that another new family came to start a rule in that particular place, that is Paramaras. This also we already discussed. Okay, after when Paramara dynasty declined or destroyed, after that one of the new family came, and one of the new person, he declared himself as a independent king. That person name is Dang. He established one of the new family. That family name is Solankis. Now you understood how Solankis family established. Means before that feudatory king of Gujjara Pratyara family, decline of Gujjara Pratyara family, one of the new family to control in that particular place, that is Paramaras. When Paramaras declined, when they become weak, after that Danga, he took control in that particular place, and they established by one of the new dynasty and new family, that is Chandelas. Okay, now we want to know one by one. Okay, after that, what he did, what was the achievements of Danga, what he did, what he made in that particular place. So here they given one by one information. He captured that one place, means that one Gujjara Pratyaras or Paramaras, that one kingdoms, and they started to rule. Not only this one, he captured some other dynasties. One is Pala, second one is Andhras. One is Pala, second one is Andhras, and he extended the dynasty in other places. So when he captured these places, after that he got one title. He earned the title. The title name is here they given Maharajadi Raja, means King of Kings. Is a king of kings. Overall kings were only king. That only they given Maharajadi Raja. So this is one of the important title for Danga. After that, we want to know, here they given assistant, means he given help to Hindu Shahi king Jayapala to back against Turk. Means in that time only Turks, they tried to capture India. So in that time, the Danga, he given help to Hindu Shahi king, that person name is Jayapala, to fight against Turkey. So these are the main information about Chandelas. One is famous king, another one how they settled in this particular place, and the title of Danga. So these are the important points about Chandelas. And next we want to know how this dynasty declined. How Chandelas dynasty declined. We want to know in that time we already knowing, means we are commonly we are knowing, if need power, relatives or families, if we need power, each other we are doing fight. If we need power, if you need money or some any other things, in family itself we are doing fight. Same that like only here in Chandela's family, they started infighting in their family, in that particular family, means in Solankis. Internal conflicts, we can say that one, internal conflicts, means internal problems of Solankis. This is one of the important reason. So when these like problems they faced, so this is one of the important reason the unity of Rajput is broken. Because of all are they need the power of Rajput, means that particular dynasty. They also become a king. So this is one of the important reason. So Solankis dynasty decline. So this is reason for how or why Chandela's dynasty declared, because of internal conflicts or infighting between the Rajput families or Solankis family. This is one of the important reason to decline of Solankis. So now we understood about Solankis. After that, here they given another important family, that is Chauvans, and last family of Rajput dynasty. This is one of the important family in Rajput dynasty. And where we are getting, or in which century onwards we are getting information about in Chauhan dynasty, means after the 7th century. After the 7th century, after that we are getting the information about Chauhan dynasty. This is one of the important family. They ruled in Rajasthan, they came in Rajasthan dynasty. So here they given one by one information where they started to rule. Here they given place, they given Ajmer region of Rajasthan. In Ajmer is in Rajasthan. In that place they started to rule in beginning. In beginning they started to rule in Ajmer. So after that, here we can see there are some of the important peoples or kings they came to rule. Some of the important capable kings. Here they given one by one person name. Here first one they given Ajay Raja. Second one is they given Vigra Raja fourth, and next one they given Prithvi Raja third. These are the important kings. Means they given some of the contribution in that particular area. So after that, when we are discussing about Chauhan dynasty, here also coming one of the important king. He came in 12th century. That person name is they given here Prithviraj Chauhan. Is one of the bravery and famous king in Chauhan dynasty. And here they mention one of the important achievement of Prithviraj Chauhan. That is, he battled against Muhammad Ghori and he defeated in War of Tehran. War of Tehran, he defeated by Muhammad Ghori. Is one of the important king in Turkey. He did battle against India to capture. So in that time, Prithviraj Chauhan, he battled against Muhammad Ghori and defeated. This is one of the important achievement of Prithviraj Chauhan. So after that, to revenge Prithviraj Chauhan, once again Muhammad Ghori battled against Chauhan family or Prithviraj Chauhan. But in this time, Prithviraj Chauhan defeated. In beginning, he war against Muhammad Ghori. On that time, Prithviraj Chauhan won the battle. But second time, once again, Muhammad Ghori, he battled against Prithviraj Chauhan. But in that time, Prithviraj Chauhan defeated. So this is the main information about Chauhan's family. And Prithviraj Chauhan is the best example for bravery and effective leader, efficient leader. Is one of the important example. Because of now also, Rajput family, now also they are believing bravery for one of the best example, Prithviraj Chauhan. Because of one of the strongest dynasty in world, that is on the time, that is Turkey also one of the important strongest dynasty, but he defeated on the dynasty, one of the small family. So now also people they believing is one of the important bravery leader in Rajput dynasty. So this is the main informations about Prithviraj Chauhan and Chauhan dynasty. Chauhan dynasty is one of the important dynasty. We are getting information after the 7th century. There are some of the important kings came, but one of the important king in this dynasty, that is Prithviraj Chauhan. Why we are calling as a famous king of Prithviraj Chauhan in Rajput dynasty or in Chauhan family? Because of he battled against Muhammad Ghori and defeated. So this is one of the important achievement. So now also still Rajput families, they believing or they saying the best example for bravery is Prithviraj Chauhan. So these are the important matters about Rajput dynasty and Rajput families. There are 6 families. Okay, next class we can discuss next topic. Okay, thank you.